Good morning, dear first-year students. I'm your teacher, Mujid. Our lecture today is about the basic English sounds. Before start talking about basic English sounds, let's get through the following important questions. First question is, what is pronunciation? The second question, does pronunciation mean accent? Which pronunciation or accent do we learn? What is the science that studies pronunciation? What is phonetics? What are the basic English sounds? Now let's get through each one of them. First question is, what is pronunciation? Pronunciation is the way in which a word is pronounced. The second question is, does pronunciation mean accent? Well, pronunciation is simply the way a particular letter, word, or sound is uttered, whereas accent is a particular way of pronouncing words which is associated with the country, area, or social class people come from. Now I just want to pay your attention to something which is very important. That is the difference between two important terms you have to know, accent and dialect. Accent refers to differences, it is a variety of language. It refers to differences in pronunciation, whereas dialect refers to differences in pronunciation, grammar, vocabulary, and it has relation with countries, with areas, and social class people, and where they come from. Yes. Now let's see the third question. Which pronunciation or accent do we learn? You are, as first-year students, have to know which accent you are learning, which accent you are following. We learn the sort of English used by educated native speakers in Southeast England, often referred to as RP, received pronunciation. It is commonly called BBC English and Standard British Pronunciation or Southern British Pronunciation. It is an accent of Standard English in the United Kingdom. Well, dear students here, the name of RP is strange, a bit strange, and if we just think about from where it is received, if it has this name, received pronunciation, from where it is received, maybe it is received from the teacher, but the most common term that's used for received pronunciation is BBC. All of those workers who work on TV channels and broadcasts, most of them use BBC accent. It is the accent that's used in dictionaries as a standard one, at universities, and it is used by those people who have authority, who has power, and who represents the most important class on the society. And by the way, I can say that 3% of people only use this accent, and this is the class of authority and power in the United Kingdom. Another important question is, what is the science that studies pronunciation? We are, as students and study the textbook Better English Pronunciation, we should know which science that studies pronunciation. Obviously, it is called phonetics. It is the science that studies the human speech sounds, especially those sounds that are used in speech and provide methods for their classification, description, and transcription. Another important one, what are the basic English sounds? Now we want to know the basic English sounds that are used in this language. In fact, there are 44 distinctive sounds in the English language. And these 44 sounds are classified into 24 consonants and 20 vowels. Each sound is represented by a letter of the International Phonetic Alphabet, IPA. It's just abbreviation of International Phonetic Alphabet. What does it mean, International Phonetic Alphabet? Well, it means that a set of arbitrary symbols designed to represent sounds used in all languages of the world. Let's see a chart about IPA. Okay, look at this picture. IPA, and here we have a woman, and this woman is carrying in her hand, okay, a sound. This is the shortest sound in English. It is E, the sound of E. And if you just imagine here IPA, and here we have symbols of power and question mark. What does this picture mean? What can you see? What can you think about the relation between IPA and power? So it seems that it doesn't matter who are you. It doesn't matter whether you are a wealthy man or woman, that you have a very good education. If you just master IPA, you will be really powerful. You will be fluent. You will be able to speak the language and be an effective person in the society. And you can understand native speakers or people all over the world easily, and you are also going to be understood by people. So IPA is the symbol of power. This is the chart, a phonemic chart of English sounds. These are the basic sounds that can be found in all languages. Let's start with the consonants here. Sounds with yellow color are consonants, and with the gray color are vowels, and also divided into monophthongs and diphthongs. I shall read consonants first and then vowels. P, P, B, boat, T, T, D, dog, Ch, cheese, J, June, K, car, G, go, F, fly, V, video, F, think, V, this, S, see, Z, zoo, Sh, shall, J, television, and M, man, N, now, ing, sing, H, hat, L, love, R, red, and wet, and yes. These are the consonants, and I think most of you are familiar with these consonants and will face no difficulty in learning them. Let's come to the vowels. Okay, if you just pay attention, dear students, if there is two dots beside the sound, it means that it is long. If there is no two dots, it means that it is short. Let's start with the sound E, sheep, I, ship, O, good, U, shoot. So the difference here, U, 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 E, bed. E. This is the shortest one. Slight difference between E and E. Teacher, teacher. And then this, we have bird. And then we have this sound, O. This is long one, O, do, do. Yes, and a, cat, up, 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 and a, fa, o, on. Now let's go to the last division, that is diphthongs. Here we have, I start reading with the second column, a, oi, I, wait, boy, my. Okay, and then we have the first column, ia, ia, here, ua, ua, and aya. These are a slight difference between them. It's a combination of two vowels. Start with I and then e. You see, this is the difference. And the last two diphthongs are o and ow. O and o, not show, no, show, and ow, cow. All what you need, dear student, is a practice these sounds, read them a lot, listen to them a lot, and then you will master using them within words and then sentences. Thank you very much for your listening, dear students. See you in the next lecture.